In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly sync data between your computer and your iPhone using iTunes. The first thing you'll need to do is connect your phone to your computer. You'll see the following notification on screen. Next, open iTunes. If your phone is connected properly, you should see a phone icon in the upper left-hand corner. I created a new text message tone and loaded it into iTunes. It's right there, called Hey. Now I'd like to sync it to my phone quickly. This is the main iTunes screen. Next, go up to the File menu, come down and select Devices. Choose Sync Mike's iPhone. If you're syncing your phone, the name will be different. The sync will then start, and any changes made since the last time I synced my phone should be added. That was quick. Let's jump to my iPhone and see if that ringtone was transferred properly. Open Settings, scroll down and find Sounds. Tap Sounds, scroll down and find Text Tone. Tap it. There you'll see your custom tones, flashlight and hey. Select hey and tap it. My text tone is now set to hey.